How to redeem 2K24 locker codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 2K24 locker codes. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Every new game in the 2K Sports series has a selection of freebies given away. And the latest in 2K's basketball games is no exception. There are plenty of NBA 2K24 locker codes to redeem for new player cards, XP boots, and My Player gear, among others. However, you will need to be quick to snag them for yourself. Given the speed you need to redeem the NBA 2K24 codes, the process is pretty much straightforward. Firstly, go into the My Team menu. Next, head into the Community Hub from the Home tab. Now, select Enter Lock Code and type in your code. If the code is accepted, you should get the rewards. So, this is how you can redeem 2K24 locker codes. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.